Imagine a world where your online orders, groceries, or even life-saving medical supplies arrive at your doorstep via drones. No more waiting, no more delays. Welcome to the future of logistics, autonomous delivery drones. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting innovations shaping the future, autonomous delivery drones. Let's explore how these drones are transforming logistics, the different applications they serve, and what the future holds for them. According to Market Research Universe, the global autonomous market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of above 35% from 2024 to 2032. This growth indicates that the market is expected to reach more than $5 billion. Autonomous delivery drones are drones equipped with advanced technologies like GPS, machine learning, and computer vision. These technologies allow drones to navigate through complex environments and deliver packages without the need for human intervention. They're not just futuristic, they're here, and they're transforming the way we think about transportation and logistics. Autonomous delivery drones are changing the way we deliver goods, from groceries to medical supplies, and even helping in disaster relief. Let's explore some of the fascinating applications of this cutting-edge technology. In e-commerce, companies like Amazon and Walmart are leading the charge. Amazon Prime Air aims to deliver packages within 30 minutes, handling items up to 5 pounds. Walmart is also testing drone deliveries for groceries and household essentials, partnering with companies like Flytrex and Zipline. In healthcare, drones are a lifeline. Zipline operates in Rwanda and Ghana, delivering crucial medical supplies like blood, vaccines, and medications to remote clinics. Drones can even transport organs for transplantation, cutting down transport times and increasing the chances of success. Feeling hungry? Uber Eats and Domino's are experimenting with drone deliveries to bring your favorite meals faster than ever. Their goal? Reduced delivery times and greater customer satisfaction. In disaster relief, drones play a critical role, delivering essential supplies to areas where traditional methods fail. Equipped with thermal cameras, they can even locate survivors in search and rescue operations. And in agriculture, drones deliver pesticides, fertilizers, and seeds with precision, reducing wastage. They also monitor crop health, helping farmers make informed decisions about their yield. From e-commerce to healthcare, food delivery to disaster relief, and even agriculture, autonomous delivery drones are transforming industries across the globe. What will they deliver next? Value chain analysis involves examining each step of the process from development to delivery to identify areas of value creation and potential improvement. Here's a breakdown. Research and development (R&D), innovations in drone technology, navigation systems, and AI algorithms. Manufacturing production of drones, including sourcing of materials and assembly, testing and quality assurance. Ensuring drones meet safety and performance standards, regulatory compliance. Meeting legal requirements and obtaining necessary certifications. Distribution, warehousing, and logistics for storing and transporting drones. Marketing and sales, promoting drones to businesses and consumers. Operation, deployment of drones for delivery services, including maintenance and monitoring. Customer service, support for users, handling complaints and providing updates. Feedback and improvement, collecting data on performance and user experience to refine and enhance drone technology. Each of these steps adds value to the final product and service, making autonomous delivery drones a promising solution for logistics and supply chain management. Of course, for all this to happen, we need clear regulations to ensure the safe operation of drones. Let's take a quick look at how different governments are handling this new technology. In the United States, the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, governs commercial drone operations under Part 107 regulations. They're also working on Beyond Visual Line of Sight rules, or BVLOS, which will allow drones to fly longer distances. In Europe, the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, known as EASA, has created a regulatory framework for drones, categorizing them by weight and intended use. They're also developing U-Space to manage drone traffic in urban areas. India's Directorate General of Civil Aviation launched the Digital Sky platform to streamline drone registration, while China's Civil Aviation Administration focuses heavily on integrating drones into their urban transport systems. Recent advancements in AI, machine learning, and 5G connectivity are pushing the boundaries of what delivery drones can do. Innovations in battery technology are increasing flight times, while 5G networks enable real-time communication between drones and control centers. Companies like Amazon, Google Wing, and UPS are all running pilot programs to test the viability of drone deliveries. Partnerships like that between UPS and Matternet for medical deliveries are setting the stage for widespread adoption. Autonomous delivery drones are taking flight around the world, and some of the biggest companies are leading the way. Today, we're highlighting the major players revolutionizing delivery services through cutting-edge drone technology. First up is Amazon Prime Air. Amazon aims to reshape e-commerce by offering ultra-fast delivery. Packages delivered within 30 minutes. Their drones can carry packages weighing up to 5 pounds, making online shopping faster than ever before. Next is Google Wing, a subsidiary of Alphabet. Wing is developing drone delivery systems for a range of applications, from e-commerce to medical supplies, and is already testing in countries like Australia and the United States. DHL's Parcel Copter is designed to tackle logistics in hard-to-reach areas. Whether it's mountainous regions or remote islands, DHL's drones are making package deliveries more efficient and accessible. UPS Flight Forward focuses on healthcare logistics. They're delivering crucial medical supplies and samples, making it easier for hospitals and clinics to receive what they need in record time. Finally, Zipline specializes in delivering medical supplies to remote areas. Operating in countries like Rwanda, Ghana, and even the United States, Zipline's drones ensure that life-saving medical supplies reach communities in need, quickly and efficiently. According to Market Research Universe's recent report, the market for autonomous delivery drones is expected to grow over $5 billion by 2032 with a compound annual growth rate of 35% from 2024 to 2032. This rapid expansion is driven by the rise of e-commerce, technological innovation, and favorable government regulations. So what are the drivers and challenges? Let's break it down. In the fascinating world of autonomous delivery drones, let's look into the key drivers behind their rapid development. First up, advanced navigation systems. These drones use a combination of GPS, inertial measurement units, and barometers to plot precise delivery paths, ensuring accurate and safe navigation. Next, sensor integration. Equipped with cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and LiDAR, these drones can detect and avoid obstacles, measure airspeed, and monitor environmental conditions. Autonomous flight planning is another key driver. Advanced software allows drones to follow predetermined routes with minimal human intervention, reducing operational costs and increasing efficiency. Modern drones are designed to carry heavier payloads and operate in diverse weather conditions, making them suitable for a wide range of delivery applications. Innovations in ground infrastructure like secure lockers and climate-controlled storage units ensure the safe and efficient pickup and delivery of packages. Safety features are crucial. Drones are equipped with detect and avoid technology, automatic landing systems, and real-time telemetry to ensure safe operation. Regulatory support is growing, with governments developing frameworks to safely integrate drones into national airspace, paving the way for widespread adoption. Finally, the increasing demand for faster contactless delivery services, especially post-pandemic, is driving the adoption of autonomous delivery drones. However, there are challenges like regulatory hurdles, safety concerns, technical limitations, and the need for public acceptance. But with continuous innovation, these barriers are gradually being addressed. Autonomous delivery drones are poised to transform the logistics landscape. While there are still hurdles to overcome, the potential benefits far outweigh the challenges. Soon, drones could be as common in the sky as delivery trucks are on the road, bringing faster, safer, and more efficient delivery services to us all. At Market Research Universe, we believe that autonomous drones are more than just a trend. They are the future of logistics, healthcare, and beyond. By staying ahead of regulations, investing in technology, customizing solutions, and engaging with the public, your business can unlock the full potential of this exciting technology. To stay updated with the latest market trends and in-depth analysis, check out Market Research Universe. We provide comprehensive reports and insights on various industries, including the autonomous drone market. Visit our website for more information. Market Research Universe offers detailed reports on market trends, growth projections, and consumer reviews, overall review analysis, and in-depth. Our insights, consumer survey reports, and product review analysis can help businesses and investors as well as individuals make informed decisions in the rapidly evolving autonomous drone industry. Visit our website, www.marketresearchuniverse.com, to know more. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of delivery drones. If you found this informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge technologies. Until next time, keep looking to the skies.